Even up 303. Adam. They're trying to make a little one level. Come on, 78, let's go. Once again in that 78, come on. Be down to 2. So we got the problem. We might need new mechanics for next time around for a couple of these guys. Once again in that 32. Ryan, in that 303. Adam, 32's right. In the 78, Don.
Then we got the tractor and like lifted him up, walked him up at the same time, and got him unstuck.
We got a 58. Once again now we're down to these two. One going home with the money in the trophy and the other one just going home. Brother William Lowe down there in the corner. Once again, Scott all done. 32, Ryan all done. 22, Matt all done. These guys are having a little trouble finding each other.
They're like missing each other.
Yeah.